Alright, first thing you want to do is take your alcohol wipe and you're going to clean up the area that you're going to be mounting the chin mount to remove any grease or fingerprints, that sort of thing. And then you also want to wipe down where you're going to be mounting your tether, and that'll just ensure proper adhesion. And then the next step is you're going to take a blow dryer and we're going to warm this thing up for about 5 to 10 seconds. And you only need to get this warm, you do not need to get it hot. If you get it too hot, it's not going to work very well. And you're going to line this up right with where you're supposed to, and you can check for a reference on the website with your specific helmet. And then you're going to apply even pressure for the next 1 minute or so, making sure that all the sides and all the corners are making contact and that you're not up on the lip of this rubber lip here on the bottom of the helmet. You want to be above that. You should see no gaps in the adhesive around the edges. Okay, and once that's had a moment to sit, you're gonna let that rest for 24 hours before you try to mount anything. If you didn't have a heat gun, then you wanna give it 72 hours before you try to mount anything. Otherwise, you may have an adhesion problem and you may lose your GoPro. The next step is to mount your tether. So when you're placing your tether, just make sure that the string that comes with it can reach the actual GoPro mount itself. So for me, I'm installing my tether right behind this vent here. So it's the same process. You remove the backing. We're going to warm it up for 5 to 10 seconds, and then we're going to go ahead and place it. All right, and that's all there is to it.